Namaskaram and hello to everyone. Thank you so much for coming in. I think I can see Vibha. Vibha's been there from day one. Leena also has been there. Oh my God, Solar Suresh. Thank you, Sujata. We also have Subhashni and Rati. I think all my Dutches are here. Thank you so much. And I can see Vijayaka there. I think Vijayaka has been very regular with the programs. Rekha also has come in. Today is actually a very special day. We've actually, hi Shailaja. Okay, today is a very special day. We're actually coming to a close of our Green Awards. And like I started it last Thursday, I'm going to be ending it for you all. But for us at Green Goddess, this is not the end. This is a beginning for us. This is a beginning of a very beautiful journey for all of us here. And we are going to take all of you with us on this journey. And thank you for all the support all these days. And thank you for all the people who are coming in as our members. And I want you guys with me, okay? Because I think together we're going to make the world all. So let's come back to the awards. Did you all realize that we actually had 14 awardees? 14 awardees. But you know, only 13 of them could come on. I don't know if you're keeping track of that. The 14th awardee, actually last but not the least, has been actor Vivek. Padma Shri actor Vivek. Yeah. Do you know why we bestowed the award of the Green Ambassador Award to Padma Shri actor Vivek? It's because, you know, he had made a pledge to Abdul Kalam that he would plant 1 lakh trees. And if I'm not mistaken, he has completed all that. And then he's gone on to another mission, which is 1 crore trees. And when we gave the award to him, he said he's committed to this cause, but you know, for different circumstances, he's not able to come to receive it. But he's pledged that he's going to be with us and support us wherever possible. But I think it's our turn to support him. So here, actor Vivek, we pledge our support to whatever you're doing. To the Green Ambassador Award winning Padma Shri actor Vivek. Vivek has actually been a friend for many years. In fact, he's been my member number 1 at O2. So I actually call him my lucky mascot. And then he's my well-wisher. He's almost the first to wish me on my birthday always. And of course, we are connected with all these causes. I would also like to, at this point of time, I would like to announce again the Green Club. I know some of you have already joined in. So here we go. The official release of the poster of the Green Club. The Green Club membership is an annual membership. It's just $5.99 like we announced earlier. And this is an annual membership. This is only for our admin expenses because we're going to be communicating to you about all our services which are going to come up, all our talks which are going to be coming up, all the workshops we're going to be conducting, all the trips to the farms that we're going to be conducting. So this is just another way of keeping track of you so that we can communicate. Of course, all our services are not going to be expensive and they're going to be major discounts with all our vendors. We're going to be tying up with them. So if you're a Green Club member, there'll be loads and loads of discounts with all the vendors who will be with us. So just don't wait, just join in, guys. Announcing the first workshop on the coming Thursday, which is the 9th of July, 5 p.m. I want to tell you one more thing, guys. Every Thursday from now onwards, at 5 o'clock till the lockdown is over, we would like to be doing something from the green goddess, something useful, something interesting, something happy, something green. So we're just sitting at home, but we're still learning something. I go right on to thanking our sponsors. Today is actually a simple enough meeting. We don't have many guests coming in, but we thought this is a nice way to wrap up the whole show. There's something called gratitude that we owe to people. I think it's a nice way to show that this time and to wrap up the show. So to start with, I would like to thank Swasta, who's come in with his gift cards. Each voucher is worth about 500 rupees, no less. And I think he's given us not 14, but he's given us 24 vouchers. So thank you, Srivat. Thank you so much for this. And the people who will be getting it, you'll be getting your message on your phone soon after the meeting. And this is being given to the people who've been regularly with us for all the sessions, who've been asking very interesting questions, and some of our well-wishers. Okay, we move on to Swasta. I hope Srivats is ready. Yeah. Srivats is a friend. Hey, Srivats.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
How are you?
I'm very fine, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
It's very refreshing because, all the guys I've been seeing these days, in the lockdown period, most of them are growing lots of hair on their faces, and it is good to see you well groomed, Srivats.
Okay.
I can see all your very handsome features, yeah? So just a little.
Thank you so much. Actually, being a guy, even I would love to do that, but I'm not at liberty to, thanks to my wife.
Oh, good. Are you traveling somewhere? Are you out?
No. This is my lockdown office because my wife is also working from home.
Ah, right. Okay, so everyone is busy. In fact, I realize that we're more busy than otherwise. Don't you think so? Because
True.
seems to be filled up with all kinds of things, and we're also learning different things. So I think we're all using it really well.
Very true.
So, Srivats, please tell us about the Swasta journey.
By God's grace, it's been nearly 5 years now, one more month to go. And we started with about 25 products which farmers weren't able to market because of pricing strategies. We had new budding farmers who knew the drill, who knew how to farm and get the output, but then they did not know how to market it. We had the provisions, abundant stock in provision. That's when we were in touch with a merchant exporting company. So while transferring the goods to their godown, that's when we realized that the whole market of organic cultivation remains a void. People are not aware of what the products are. So initially we started to teach the farmers how to price the products, like after how much they've spent and some money for their efforts, wage, labors, and natural fertilizers and everything. And on top of that, they have a cut and then give it to us. So we taught the farmers how to fix an MRP on their product. So that in return, we got their loyalty and trust. So our yield became number one. So the quality of our product specifically, handful of 20 products, provisions. So that became a top hit. And then we started value adding. For instance, we got tur dal initially, and that was fantastic because the pricing was high. So we had elderly customers who come and complain saying, no, this is very wrong. The prices are too high. So we give them a sample. Please take it, sir. If you like it, you can pay. Come back tomorrow and pay. So that old elderly gentleman, next morning, he comes with his walking group and introduces 10 elderly people and makes everyone buy, and he sponsors it, saying this tur dal reminds me of my mother's cooking. So it seems that the cooking is not the issue with my wife, only the pulses are.
But that's lovely that you connect, the farmers, and then you go directly to them and source them out and also encourage them and fix a price. That's fantastic, Srivats. And, I noticed that, this generation, your generation is doing a whole lot of this. So it's very, very refreshing. And all the viewers, all my friends out there, I can tell you, I swear by his products because I think we've also been buying for many years now. I think you're also one of the first customers, and you've taken part in Utsav, and that's where we caught you and made you a bob, I think, right?
Yes.
So, Srivats, what are your plans now from here? I mean, where do you take Swasta from here?
So from here, we've started our own label packaging. Now that credibility is very important and main source of packaging, so we've made sure that our farmers who are in association with us are credibly certified by the certification bodies. So now we are going traveling across the city, not now of course, but then before the lockdown and even after the lockdown, we'll be traveling across the country to get our associated farmers certified, and our products are being exported also to certain countries specifically. And more importantly, we are trying to market it in pan-Indian strategies, so we need proper licensing for that. So we're working our way. The most important thing is abundance in yield. Earlier we have a problem of not being able to produce, but now we have an issue of not being able to dispatch the product quantity. So that's the reason we're finding many sources to supply wherever possible and make sure that nothing is wasted. So more importantly, it's about
Yeah, so we're actually going to have a surplus of really nice organic food and maybe a little better
yes,
price because I think there's a surplus of it.
absolutely. And surprisingly, even in spite of all the lockdown and transport issues, we've been able to serve. MRP has been lowered at least by 20% than what it was 1.5 years or 2 years ago. So the products pricings are going down by the year. So probably in another 5 years time, organic product would be cheaper than any other product. So not just because of health benefits, because of prices also, people will have to come for organic
And there's
products.
going to be no looking back for you after that because I think, like I said, you young guys are having many, many beautiful ideas to take this forward. So good luck with that. And why don't you
Thank
start
you.
something like a subscription with our green members? We will give you the database so that, on a regular, you can give them regular orders on a monthly basis,
Yes,
Let's work
yes, yes.
that way. Yeah.
Yes,
So
absolutely. Anyway, we can expand the organic market. It's more than a business. It's a service. People have to know what they've been eating. So it's like
exactly.
getting in touch with nature.
So we don't need medicines after that. One last thing before I send you off, I must thank you formally in front of everyone because at the last lockdown when we couldn't even move out, you stay in Kottuppuram and then I ordered something and the next day was going to be a full lockdown. You came all the way and then you handed over whatever I wanted. So thank you so much for that, Srivats. Yeah.
Thank you so much for giving us the opportunity. It's one thing to be a part of this service, and it's another thing to get an opportunity to serve people like you. So thank you so much for giving us the opportunity.
Thank you, Srivats. Just stay blessed and stay connected. And you with the green goddesses are really going to go a long way. Okay. Thank you so much. See you
Thank you
around.
so much.
Take
Hope to
care
see
of
you.
yourself. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Srivats actually has been one of our favorites for the Bob Cycling Group also. Now let us go on to Sunoco. And we have Mr. Shankar who's representing the company from there. Sunoco, I think, yeah, they're coming in. The organic fertilizers, they make them. So I think we have Mr. Shankar here. Yes, Mr. Shankar, hello. Please come in. Namaste, sir.
Namaskar. Good
How are
evening.
you doing?
Nice to see you. Fine, thank you. Thank you very much.
Can you send it so that we can see you better? So that, yeah. Are you
Because I was
comfortable
afraid
that-
whether the... No, it's okay.
Yeah.
Is it okay now?
Left. Yeah. Yeah, super.
Okay. Good evening.
Okay. Are you comfortable, sir? Can I go ahead?
Please go ahead.
First of all, thank you very much for what you have given us as sponsors for a gift pack. It's been greatly appreciated. In fact, one of our awardees, I think Arun, he actually mentioned your name and said it's fantastic service that you all are doing. So please carry on with your good work and do tell us something about your product so that everyone can hear it, sir.
Okay. I've started manufacturing what's called organic biofertilizers. Now, biofertilizer is different from normal fertilizer. I came across this. I was out of India for more than 30 years, and when I was in Malaysia, I
Okay.
saw this product being used by a friend of mine in manufacturing. Its origin is Japan. It improves the soil.
Oh.
Say the word in the Japanese use is soil is not dirt, it's a living organism. You respect it. So he said if you take care of the soil, produce will be better, product will be good, and it will not harm people. That's the principle they work on. And second thing, we're talking about organic food and other things. See, you look around the world, what's important is whatever the method of cultivation, when the food comes to your table, it has got to be beneficial to you and should not harm you.
Exactly.
That's the
Exactly.
method to go. It is not all the labels make no difference as long as it ensures the quality is there so that the person uses is not harmed in any way and the benefit of good food or good produce goes to them. And the soil is the most important thing because that's what the Japanese told us. So when I saw that, I wanted to bring the product to India. I wanted my friend introduced me to the Japanese. I went to Japan. I wanted to import it to sell here. I did bring a quantity and tried it out in some of my farms, in rice product, in paddy cultivation, in vegetables and so on. Effects were very good. When I went to Japan and asked him, the chairman was about 91 years at the time. This was in 2013. He said, you are coming from India. India is the only culture which respects earth as a god. I will give it to you, the technology, don't buy from me, you go and make it in India. So he gave me the thing, and we had to do about 6 years of R&D to develop this product because multiple organisms, biofertilizers are the number of things, but what's called is a consortium, but it's a unique thing in Japan. They are in the business from 1945 and from 1965. So this company gave me the technology, and we are still in touch with them. They are our technical partners.
I
So
thank
we
them
developed
that he
it,
gave you
and
this.
2016 they visited us here when we did the first product. The Japanese helped me to set up the factory, and we started the manufacturing it here in a small way.
I'm so glad
The,
that you're doing
can you
this.
hear me?
So please just keep up
Can
the
you hear
good
me,
work.
please?
I can hear you, so I can hear you. Can you hear me?
I think okay.
Can you hear me?
So the product is basically.
Just to thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Just to thank you for your
I can't hear
generosity
you.
and the good work that you're doing. So we will stay connected.
Yeah.
As School
So
of Green Goddess, I think we're going to market your fantastic product, and it's going to benefit so many people. Thank you very much,
thank you.
Mr. Shankar.
Thank you.
See you around. See you around. Bye bye. Friends, isn't it amazing that there's so many fantastic products in our country? And then like how Mr. Shankar was saying, it actually starts from the soil more than anything else. Okay, now we go on to this beautiful, beautiful product called Kara. This is made by our very good friend and Duchess member Jayanti Vumidi. Look at that; those are all made. All the soaps are made from natural ingredients. You actually feel like eating them, don't you? They almost look edible. Fabulous. There you have the papaya soap. Jayanti, are you coming in, Jayanti? You are the next guest for us. Can you send me a request, Jayanti? Jayanti, are you coming in? Okay, in the meanwhile, guys, just keep looking at these beautiful, beautiful products. I think she even has a good photographer with her. I think her son and daughter-in-law, very, very talented kids. I think they also help her. So let's talk to Jayanti right now. Jayanti, are you in? My good friend. Hello.
Hi, Nina. How are you?
I'm good.
fine.
What about you?
Fine, fine.
You're looking nice and fresh, Ma. You're looking good. So staying at
Thank
home
you
is
so
helping you.
much.
Huh?
Yeah, staying in ECR is helping me, yes.
And also, are you using your own soaps? Your skin
Definitely,
is
yes.
looking good.
Yeah, thank you.
Jayanti, thank you for the lovely soaps that you gave us. And I think your products need to reach everyone, Jayanti. I think you are like, not really reaching out everywhere. So let us
Yeah.
help you to do that. Let's work on this
Thank you,
together.
Neha. Thank you
Very
so much.
So come tell us something about how you do it. About your
I
handmade.
basically, like our family is gives a lot of importance to the quality. So I just wanted to have some soaps which are very good quality, and I wanted to do the organic soaps. So Kara is one of the pioneers for using vegetable extracts and fruit extracts, and I make soaps with multani mitti, gram flour. I started making it, and even red wine and beer soap I started making for the and I'm making with Himalayan salt. I'm making it, and now for a Korana thing, I've started making with neem, tulsi, and kasturi manjal. So
Lovely.
that's antiseptic. So this three together I make it, and I have charcoal soap also, and I started making now lavender and primrose.
Beautiful. And I love the way, not everyone who makes a good product can actually display them well. But I love the way you've been doing it, the photographs and the way you've been
That
doing
all
the
credit goes to my daughter-in-law.
I was just mentioning that just before you came in. I've met both your daughter-in-law and your son. Bless these
Yeah.
youngsters, because I
Thank
think
you,
they're
thank you
so
so
loving, and then they're always there for you. So you are also blessed, Jayanti, like me.
Yeah,
Right?
thank you so much. Thank you so much,
So,
Neha.
so where do you
What is it? Thanks, Green Goddess, for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you, Jayanti. You're a friend more than anything. And when our friends are doing such good work, I mean, this is the least that we can do. We can only support you.
Yeah,
Because
I know that you support every
us.
time. Yes. Yeah.
So, so where can people pick them up from now?
You can see from my Instagram page. You can order in the Instagram page, and all the other details is there, my phone number and everything. And when you order, I do the even customized order also. According to your
Alright.
skin, I can do it also. So you can. I'm doing like hampers, gift hampers also, and you can see my soaps here.
And Jayanti, there was an interesting range of the picture that you sent me. I think you're also doing a kids range, which is very refreshing.
Yeah,
I think
kids
that's there it is. That's really cute. Very
Yeah.
cute, and I'm sure very safe for the children when it's made with such
Yes,
natural.
yes.
Very nice. Very nice.
It's range, and I have lemon soap, which is done with lime extract and rind of the lime.
Beautiful. And this shows that you don't waste anything that comes out of the kitchen, right? I mean, you try-
Comes from the kitchen, and this is I learned it from my mom. She used to give us a lot of beauty regime. Anytime old is gold, they tell. No, that is what. And this is a Himalayan salt.
All right. Okay. Looking forward to seeing the whole range, and after lockdown, we'll see them physically. And we are going to be in touch with you as far as even the packing is so nice. So I think it's all about
This
that.
is
Isn't
our
it?
thing is Kara. Our
Right.
Kara in
Lovely.
Sanskrit means maker.
Maker. All right. Okay. There you are. So you're making some beautiful products, and see you soon, Jayanti. See you soon. Just stay safe.
Yeah.
I know you're in a joint family. We were sharing all that. So take care of it.
Of course, in my house, from 95-year-old to 7-year-old has been using the soaps. So no problem at all. And
I
these
know,
are
and
the
the
sample soaps.
sound, thank God. So beautiful.
I make this
Beautiful.
with watermelon.
All right. Okay. Like I said, they look as good as you feel like eating them.
Yeah.
So thank you,
My
Jayanti.
father-in-law tells it looks like a candy.
It does. He's right. So see you around, Jayanti. Stay safe. And as soon as the lockdown is over, I'm sure we're going to meet in better circumstances. Yeah.
Thank you,
so
Neha.
much.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Thank you. Bye bye, ma. Bye bye. Wasn't that fascinating? When all these things are handmade and they're so beautiful, I mean, I just go bonkers over them. Okay, now we go on to fruit print, and I think we have Anusha representing the company. They're the ones who made the snacks for us. No, I have to go up. Anusha, you have to send me a request, please. Yes, Jayanti has been glowing. It's good to see all of you. And you know what? We at the Green Goddess, we were discussing yesterday. I think all of us are going to have some withdrawal symptoms. Just like, after a wedding, there's nothing much to be done. All right, here we have Anusha coming in. It's good to see Sunita Purandate. Hi, Sunita. Anusha, hi.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you doing?
Very well, thank you.
All good at home?
Fabulous, thank you.
So thank you so much for what you have given us for the hampers. They were very well appreciated. And we were able to send it on time because you gave us a time limit also. You said as soon as you sent it, you didn't give us more than a couple of days to make sure that it was, taken and eaten. So thank you so much for it. All our awardees have been commenting on it. Yeah. So please tell us something about yourself.
Firstly, thank you to Green Goddess because we launched our product at the carnival last year in December.
Okay.
And from then, there's not been any looking back. This is a company started by me and a very dear friend as two moms who want to do something once the kids are grown up. And the idea also came from our children because they're all working now and don't have the time to really cook, and they tend to eat unhealthy food.
Right.
So we came up with the idea of getting into some desk-friendly food that is easy for them to, reach out and eat. So that's how we came about focusing on fruit, dry fruit, nuts, and seeds.
And it tastes really yum. Okay. So
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Especially in times like this when there's so much less activity happening, you feel like munching on something. So why not munch on something really nice? So where do you sell them from, Anusha? Where do you sell them from otherwise?
We sell directly at the moment through our Instagram page and our Facebook pages at the moment. So that's where people can reach us if they want to place orders, and our phone numbers are shared there too.
All right. So what are your plans for the future as soon as the lockdown is over? I mean, do you have anything new to be presenting to your customers? Are you developing new things because you have time at home now?
Yeah, we actually are. Yeah, we believe in sustainability. So a lot of ideas that come from our children most of the time is not to waste anything that we use. So, we are really trying to use the peels and whatever we can to create something new and also maybe get into retail.
Super. You know what I like about this generation of young people, they're so supportive of us as parents, like my kids at home have been doing it like throughout, and I'm really thankful for that. Yeah.
Sure.
Just today we called you in because we want to thank you, and just to tell you that there's a big thank you from the Green Goddess, and we look forward to working with you. And any way that we can help you to market your stuff, we are there. Okay.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Yourself, and then we'll see you with a whole range of new products very soon. Bye-bye.
Sure, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Okay, guys, we come to the last of our sponsors today, and this is quite interesting. I'm actually going to be talking to one of my teammates, and that is Sampath. Sampath is my F&B manager, and he's been with us for more than 13 years. And he joined us when he's very young. He's still very young. And he is a very special young man. He's willing to learn. He's a fantastic team player. At the same time, he's a fantastic team leader. So welcome, Sampath from Savera.
Hi, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
How are you doing?
Nice to get interviewed by the boss itself.
It's a nice experience because I would like to know what you want to how you sell your things, because I've never seen you directly selling it to anyone. So let's sell me brew room products, Sampath. Go for it.
Ma'am, here I would like to make it very simple. Brew room at Savera Hotel at 146 Radhakrishnan Salai. People know it very well. Okay, there we are focusing on healthy options. The recent menu which we launched on February before the lockdown has a good varieties of the vegan and gluten-free option. Whereas in the milk we give a soya and almond options, and we do brew 8 different coffees. When it comes to main course, we have lasagne and few other dishes of bowl of vegan options as well as gluten-free. When it comes to desserts, we also have certain desserts options. The recent during the lockdown, we thought, okay, let's work on something essential. Whereas the boss have asked us to rework on bread. That's been a very essential product. We started doing different types of breads. We started a new outlet called the Brew Room Bread Boutique. We believe that every day we freshly bake the breads, which are available at TTK Road outlet opposite to Agrawal Eye Hospital. So we have started like small. When we started, we got few orders been coming. Now we've been like in the market, and we do this lockdown. I would like to thank here Jayu ma'am, Dean Goddess, one of her, helped us to do an apartment orders. That gives us an eye opener. We started doing apartment orders, starting with 10 orders, 15 orders. Right now, average we do 25 orders per apartment every week. So here I would like to tell people who've been watching and the other people who want some freshly bred products with contactless delivery, we are open to do your apartment complete order. Please do get in touch with us or get in touch with my managers over there. We'll be happy to deliver all different products. We have a huge selection of breads, buns, brownies, cookies, whatnot, everything we have. So you tell us what you want. So we send us the menu and we send us a payment link option. Everything is contactless. Our delivery team will come and deliver it to you. Exactly like that. Today also we delivered around 25 orders in one apartment. That's Salesman Apartments. So
guys,
this
so what
I would like to tell.
Sampath, what are your vegan options?
Right now in desserts we have like tiramisu is a vegan option and it's a gluten-free, and whole wheat walnut date cake and chocolate cake as a vegan options also. And we do have desserts as a vegan gulab jamun and other desserts is also. As a customer request, we do work on different options of vegan. So we are open for delivery right now. The Brew Room Bread Boutique is live in Zomato and Swiggy, as well as we do home deliveries also. Please feel free to call us or take the app and start ordering your best bread products. And we started getting good orders from different parts of Chennai, that too mostly from MRC and from Pondi Bazaar and T Nagars also. So right now, since this app is available, I want everyone to use this app, as well as you can call us for an order.
Super. I think you sold us most of the products, and also you shouted out to everyone who's in an apartment. So guys, support Sampath, support Savera, because like you know that we have been in the business for the last 50 years and we are here to stay. So just support us, right? So Sampath, one last question. What about your Amravati home products? I'm sure you're also in charge of that, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. Amravati home product is a traditional Andhra home product which from Gudu. So we use most of the elements from Gudur where an authentic recipe being followed, and we do have different varieties of Amravati home product, starting from sweets, savories, vadams, that's called spodi powder, pickles, so whatnot. Everything is there. All you need to reach out, number one, Cathedral Road, call us the manager, call us me. So we'll be happy to share more details, because here the time is less. I can't explain you much in detail. So if you give us an opportunity or call us, I'll get you more information about the product.
Sure, Sampath. So that was nice, and I, as a boss, I'm very happy with you, right?
Thank you so much, ma'am. It's all your blessing and well wishes.
Yeah, take care of yourself, and I will see you very soon. I'm really missing all of you, right? Okay.
Thank you so much, ma'am. We also miss you.
Yeah. So take care and be safe with your family. Bye bye, Sampath. Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Gosh, yeah, we come back. We come to the end of the program. Is there anything that you guys would like to ask us? We're available even otherwise. I mean, we're on Facebook and Insta, and I think we have so many friends out there. Hi, Vivek. I think a GM is also there, and Narmada Vini. Hi, Narmada. Jenny is there. Hi, guys. So, a formal thank you to everyone before I just say goodbye to all of you. First, I would like to thank all my Duchess who have been with me. Rati, Sujata, Anu and Anu. Thank you, my dear friends, for being with me for every venture of ours. Thank you so much. And Vibha, who I call my Ma. Vibha, thank you so much, sweetheart, for being there for me always. And our consultant, Shailaja. Shailaja has been guiding us throughout. In fact, if you have got savvy on Insta and other medium, I think Shailaja coaches us regularly. So thank you, Shailaja, for it. And last but not the least, all our regulars like people like, everyone from the Duchess, the Bob, and from Savera who've been coming in regularly for our program. So thank you so much, guys, for being there. It helps to have support. Yes, Divya, you have been there for every one of our programs. I know that. And how can I not thank my awardees, all of you. Each one of you has been fantastic in your input with the products you're doing, and we feel so happy that we have chosen all of you and you have accepted the awards from you, and we're going to be connected. We have pledged already that we're going to be connected to you. So thank you so much for the trust in us and for being with us. And I'm going to end with thanking my beautiful team of the Green Goddesses, Anju, Manju, Preeti, and Jay. You guys, you are rocking girls. So love you all very much. Like I said, this is not the end. This is a beginning. We have many miles to go before we sleep. So I want all our friends with us, all our well-wishers with us, and we're going to travel on a very beautiful, green, clean journey. And before I end, I would like to thank my daughter Ritika and Bhishma, my technical consultants. In fact, Rithi has been there doing all the minutest details. So thank you so much to my little one. So guys, see you very soon. Bye-bye. Look after yourselves and God bless.